This is the second coffee machine that I am testing from Coffeeza. The first one they sent 3 years ago completely changed how I think about freshly brewed coffee, and I have rarely preferred having coffees at cafes since then. Today we have their new Lattisso Pro one-touch cappuccino machine, and this makes the process of making milk-based coffees like cappuccinos and lattes super simple. This comes in at around 18,000 rupees, but when you consider the price for a capsule coffee machine that can make cappuccinos, this is very competitive. So let's see how well this actually works. Inside the box, you are going to get a quick start guide, the manual, and the machine itself. The machine has this detachable water container which is easy to remove, and we also have this detachable drip tray so you can use cups of different sizes. This is the milk tube that lets you receive milk from any container. We now have a touch screen that lets you make different kinds of drinks. Starting from here, you can make an espresso, a lungo, then there is a hot water function which you can use to make an Americano, and then there are of course cappuccino and latte, ending with this cleaning function icon. This is a capsule coffee machine, which means that you have to use these single-serve aluminum coffee capsules. The way this works is similar to an espresso machine, but you are getting these ready-to-go capsules instead of needing to prepare a proper puck after measuring coffee grounds, breaking the lumps, tamping it, and then cleaning the portafilter after use. You just put this in the machine, press a button, and that is it. I have researched on all methods of preparing a coffee, and even the very simple methods can taste great, but this is the most convenient and the fastest way, especially for espresso style drinks. Coffeeza offers a wide range of different coffee capsules with different intensities, and they also offer many different variants of flavored coffee. This machine is compatible with Coffeeza and Nespresso original line capsules, and there are many brands that make them, so you can also very easily experiment with different coffees from different brands like Davidoff, Starbucks and Lavazza. So let's make a coffee now, and you have to put this pod into the top of the machine. Make sure that there is water in its tank. Put this milk tube in a glass of milk and touch the icon of the kind of coffee that you want. I have been having their capsule coffee for years now, so I am not surprised about how good the taste is, but personally for me, this latte really has the perfect concentration, and I also really like this intenso variant. When I used to add manually frothed milk, I often added too much of it, and that kind of affected the experience, but here you are just getting consistency and the perfect strength every time. The milk frother is built in, so you don't have to manually create foam or even learn how to make it with that external milk frother. For an inbuilt frother, the foam quality is quite good. They recommend using Tetra Pak milk for best results, but I have also had great results with regular pouch milk and even fresh cow's milk that I get delivered at home. The temperature is also very good on this. Even with room temperature milk, you are going to get a cup that is nicely hot. I have also served this coffee to many of my guests, and they have always been surprised by how I was able to make cafe-like coffee at home so quickly. I actually prefer this over having coffee at a typical cafe because I know the exact strength and taste, and I can microwave it if it gets cold. Cleaning this machine is also very easy. You just have to put the milk suction tube into a cup of clean water and touch the clean function icon, and this will do everything for you. The only thing you have to manually do is empty the container for the used coffee capsules, and then you can just rinse it quickly with water once, and that is it. Not needing to clean another appliance is a really great convenience with this machine. I often just felt too lazy to measure the milk and clean the frother earlier, so just having everything in one step really made me use this machine a lot more. You can also make iced coffees by adding cold milk and ice to an espresso shot, and I actually do that a lot in summers. The pods are made of aluminum, so they are recyclable, and you can use the used coffee as a fertilizer and can send the aluminum capsules back to Coffeeza for recycling. Do give this video a thumbs up if you are liking it so far. Since this is a capsule coffee machine, it shouldn't be directly compared to a traditional espresso setup. Each capsule works out to roughly 50 rupees per cup, which is about 3 times the cost of brewing the same Coffeeza coffee from a ground coffee bag. But what you are really paying for with this system is the convenience, the time saved, saved, the ease of use, and the consistency in every cup. This machine is great for people who want to cut down on frequent cafe visits. If you frequently spend 200 to 300 rupees per cup of coffee in cafes, then making a cup like this at home at a fraction of the price can save you a lot of money. As for the cons, I found the build quality on this to be just okay, even though the internals are made of metal. I also wish that the used capsule compartment could be removed without needing to have the drip tray attached. So overall, aside from some minor things, the Coffeeza Lattisso Pro is a really nice and convenient option to get your coffee fix quickly. I have been using this for over a month and I haven't had any issues so far. From what I have read online, they do honor their 1-year warranty properly, and I think that they only have one service center in India, but they will cover the cost of receiving and sending the machine back within the warranty period. So if you are looking for the laziest way of making great coffee, you can definitely check this out at the links in the description. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.